Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to contact support and recover your Outlook password in 2026. So if you have forgotten your password and you need help getting it back the right way, you will want to watch this video. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Microsoft Account Recovery page. Once this is done, you will see a bunch of different links on the home page. So among these, simply click on this particular link that says help with the Microsoft account recovery form. So once you are here on this page, you will see a bunch of different important instructions as well as this video that is going to help you to recover your Microsoft account, including your Outlook account. So over here, you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down here on this page until you see this particular tabs here in the bottom. So among these, simply click on the option of contact, then click on the option of online support. You can also use these social medias, like they have given you the email option, then they have given you the option of Facebook and LinkedIn. So you can also try contacting them on these given social media accounts as well. So once you come here on this page, you just have to simply click on the option of expand and select the option of Outlook. Now simply click on the option of help and get help, and then you will see a form in front of you. So you need to fill out this particular form with your details. So you just have to ask them to recover your password because you have forgotten it, and they are going to help you with the help of your email address. So you will receive an email address from them, and then you can just follow the instructions in order to basically recover your password. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.